so much more.
Hey guys, so I'm about to make some coffee for starters. I need to go and get a present for my boyfriend because I haven't gotten him anything, and I already got to open one of my presents early that he got me for Christmas. So, you know, I told him I'd take him to the mall, get him like 2 colognes because he's really into that, and then I was gonna get him, he wants like Christmas sweaters and something else I can't remember. But anyway, I'm gonna go right now to Finish Line at the mall and get him a pair of shoes because he's obsessed with shoes. He doesn't care about anything else in the world but shoes. I'm exaggerating, but I think he'll like them. I saw him looking at a pair and he actually texted me, like he was like, just in case you ever want to buy me these. A long time ago he texted me 2 pictures of shoes that he likes, but I don't think I'm gonna find those at the mall, and it's way too late to order them online. I'm also gonna get my dad's last present. I got him a gift card to his favorite restaurant, but that's not enough for me at least. So I'm also gonna get what he loves, which is $40 crab legs from Sam's. And I'm gonna have to keep those in the freezer. Like, how do I even wrap a gift like that? I mean, Christmas is only a week away, but I'm gonna have to keep them in the freezer downstairs. We'll see how this goes. But I'm gonna have to wrap my boyfriend's gift, his shoes, right when I get home, because it's already 3 o'clock and he'll be home around like 7. He comes home for lunch. So let me get my coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna let the dog out one more time. I don't know when I'm gonna find time to make Christmas dinner. I have like 2 hours to spare, like, because I got my schedule today, and I work 11 to 5 on Christmas Eve, and that's when our party is. So I'm gonna have to, the party starts at 7, but I'm gonna have to like start cooking as soon as I get home. I have a chicken to do, a ham to do, muscatoli to do. What else is there? I have to make the smothered potatoes, the rolls, and the baked mac and cheese. Hopefully I can get all of this done in time. How fucking long do you have to cook a chicken? That's what I want to know. I've never made a chicken before in my entire life. I'm gonna have to look up recipes. But I wanted chicken instead of turkey. My boyfriend wants the ham. The ham's for him. Oh. I just made muscatoli. He can't get enough, and it's like we still have leftovers because I just made it a few days ago. Forgot to show you guys, but I'm sure I'll make it again in the future. So I have some training to do at work, and I'll do that on Saturday. Sunday, we are actually going bowling with my parents. See how that goes. It's gonna be so fun. My dad's a professional, and he does not let anybody get away with beating him. But I scored, for the first time in my entire life, I got a score higher than 52. So I scored 115 on the first round with my boyfriend, and then I scored 135 on our last round. So I guess I'm getting pretty good. My boyfriend was like super high though, so maybe he let me win. We got 3 turkeys, like, well, I got 3 and then he got 3, so it was like 6 in a row. Like 3 turkey, a turkey for me and a turkey for him, like back to back. I don't think that's ever happened before. At least I've never seen it happen before. I've also never seen myself get 3 strikes in a row. That's insane. But hey. Anyway, so I'm gonna just have my coffee, and then for dinner, I'm gonna make crispy chicken wraps I'm gonna have to see a recipe because every time I cook chicken, like breaded chicken in the oven, it never stays like breaded. It'll like crumble off, or like you slice a piece and then the breading falls off. So I need ways of making it stay. I'm gonna look at some recipes when I get home So that is what I'm doing today. So shoes, crab legs, and I guess that's it. Yeah, then I'll come home and make dinner. I was gonna get some gift cards for a few people, but I don't know how well that's gonna work out right now. Let's let my dog out before I go. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Come on, go potty. No, you go potty. Go potty. Okay, go potty. Go potty. Stop it. Go potty. Stop. No, you have to go potty. All right, I guess we're going in. You better not pee in my house. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay. So these are the crab legs I got from my dad. Hopefully I got the right ones. Guess we'll see. And they stink. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I hate when they do this whole Victoria's Secret gift bag situation when there's only one tiny little thing in here. It's literally just a gift card, but whatever. Whatever. I guess I'll just put it under the tree anyway. It's not for anybody in this household. So I got that. And then, okay, my boyfriend's obsessed with shoes. Let me show you what I got him. And hopefully he's not over my shoulder while I'm editing this video. Bro, these were $100. But, I don't know. We were at the store, like they're Adidas. We were there earlier this month, I think. And he bought himself 2 new pairs of shoes. And I saw him like looking at a few other ones that were like not on sale. Cause it was around Cyber Monday and like they had a lot of sales going on in the store. So these were $100. I guess they were sort of on sale too. I think they were originally $150 is what it said. Either $150 or $120, but I'm pretty sure it said $150. Let me see if it'll say it on the receipt anywhere. I got these from Finish Line and they're actually, I like them. They're pretty cool. Hopefully he enjoys them. I know he will. So that's what I got from my boyfriend. I don't know that I'll be doing the whole cologne thing. I don't know if that's gonna work out right now. I gotta wrap these ASAP. And then I got my dad the crab legs, so my mission was complete. I got everything I needed. I didn't want the shoes to be so expensive, but I love my boyfriend and he loves me a lot. And I need to get rid of this before he finds out what I got him for Christmas. So I'm about to get dinner started. It's gonna be like an early lunch for me, but I'll eat the same thing again during dinner time, which is gonna be like 1 a.m. because my boyfriend gets off at midnight. Let me open this. And I'm gonna start with placing my mayo. Okay. I got the shredded lettuce because it's just crunchier and it's more satisfying. And I like a lot of lettuce, so you just bear with me, okay? Lots and lots of lettuce. These are just chicken tenders. I literally just broke them into smaller pieces. Does not need to be perfect. That's all I'm gonna put because I don't want it to like overflow. My sauce, drizzle it over my chicken. You know how that goes. Okay. Ranch on top. Yum. And that's it. If I could fit a wrap in the toaster, that'd be pretty great. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cinnamon. I'm gonna watch some Pretty Little Liars and call it a night. Probably start editing this video. Small little vlog. I would like to do like weekly vlogs like Hannah does, but I can't commit. Sit. Are we gonna be nice now? You gonna be nice now? Okay. Okay. You guys would be nice? Oh, you're not gonna be nice? Stop. Hey, be nice. We're gonna be nice, right? Sit. Sit. Oh, hey. Okay. Oh, well, are you being bad? Are you being bad? Yeah, I'd be bad? Millie? Hey. Well, you get in your bed then. So, you get in your bed then. Are you gonna be nice? Okay, fine. Are you gonna be nice now? Stop. You gonna be nice? Okay. You lap dog. Stop it, huh? Oh. Hey, be nice? Be nice. Okay. All right. Yes? You sleepy? Go sleep. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. You guys have a good day, good night, good weekend. Whatever it is for you. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of Millie. Crazy Millie. Ow! Ow! Oh! Ouch! Okay, we be nice. Yeah. Okay, bye.